The number of children with inflammatory bowel disorders is growing, and local doctors are trying to find out why. And it can be a devastating condition for families. Molly Shen spoke with a researcher at Seattle Children's Hospital who's working to find better treatments and eventually a cure.
IBD is a lifelong chronic autoimmune condition where the gastrointestinal tract or the digestive tract has inflammation. It includes both ulcerative colitis and Crohn's disease. In fact, May 19th is World IBD Awareness Day, which is very interesting since that's coming up. Why the topic is so important is because it actually affects 2.5 million people in the United States alone, and a quarter of those people are within the pediatric realm, less than the age of 18 to 20. We see many IBD patients here at the IBD Center at Seattle Children's, and we actually see that incidence and prevalence has increased over the last 10 years or so. This is true regionally in the Pacific Northwest and true across the nation as well. We do not have a cure at this stage. And once we diagnose, these patients actually need lifelong immunosuppression, which comes with a toll of its own with side effects. But in the pediatric population, poor nutrition, growth, and then, of course, social isolation from missing school is really important. And we want to try to understand why these kids are developing inflammatory bowel disease.
Do you know why the numbers are growing so much?
It's not fully understood. We believe that it's a multifactorial, which is a fancy word for many factors at play, with genes being a part of it, but also environmental triggers, different food triggers, and then viral triggers, different infections that kids may get, we believe trigger the ongoing inflammation, but the true etiology is not fully understood.
And so you've launched a new program there now. Tell me about that and what you're hoping to figure out.
Yes. So we hope that through our collaboration with the Allen Institute in this clinical trial called STRIDE, we want to take a deep dive into both transcript expression, which is the RNA expression within the cells, the protein expression within the cells, and then to see what is actually happening, the cell-to-cell communication within the gastrointestinal tract and within the blood itself to ultimately identify targets that we can treat, and then ultimately to really improve the lives of our patients that we see in clinic.
And if somebody is watching this and their child, or maybe they're a young adult younger than 20, is interested in enrolling and being involved with STRIDE, how do they do that?
So we have a link online that has contact information if anyone is interested in joining our study. This is a prospective study, which means once enrolled, we would like to follow the enrollees long term to see how they are doing and how they respond to treatment, to fully understand how the immune system is developing and changing over time once treatments are initiated.
Well, it obviously sounds so important and has the potential to be life-changing for so many young people. Is there anything else that you want people to know about it?
I just want people to know that we are in your corner. We see patients with their families, especially at new times of diagnoses. It's just a lot of sadness and heartbreak. And we want to say that we're on our way to being able to provide a better outcome for our patients and a better outcome for these children that we see.
Well, I know that's really heartening for a lot of people to hear. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate it.
Thank you.